Welcome, everyone. I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game changer in education, ChatGPT Edu. ChatGPT Edu is like having a brilliant tutor, research assistant, and language buddy, all rolled into one. Powered by GPT 4.0, it's smarter, faster, and more versatile than ever. Imagine personalized tutoring that adapts to your learning style, grant applications reviewed in seconds, and language practice tailored just for you. But here's the secret sauce. ChatGPT Edu can reason across text and vision. It's like having a crystal ball for your academic needs. Data analytics, web browsing, document summarization, ChatGPT Edu does it all. But wait, there's more. It speaks over 50 languages, has robust security, and get this, higher message limits. Whether you're studying quantum physics or writing poetry, ChatGPT Edu has your back. Ready to unlock the future? Subscribe to our channel for more AI magic. Remember, knowledge is power. Subscribe now and let's explore the limitless possibilities together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning, keep growing.